Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this section, I will share with you guys about SkipFish overview along with its key features as an introduction. So before we begin, let me introduce myself first. So my name is Muhammad Hadi bin Shohaimi. My metric number is 28787852 along with my partner Nura Akila binti Muhammad Nain with the metric number is 287876. So let us begin. So, SkipFish, known as a robust and dynamic web application security scanner and a valuable tool embedded within the Kali Linux distribution. This type of tool, named as a SkipFish, is developed by Michael Zaliski. SkipFish is specifically engineered for active reconnaissance, systematically mapping the structure of web applications and uncovering potential security vulnerabilities. So, SkipFish, also known as a SIP, as its seamless integration with Kali Linux, positions it as a go-to solution or a reference for ethical hackers, penetration testers, and security professionals seeking to assess the robustness of web application. So, we move along to the key features for a SkipFish. So as we all know, at its core of a SkipFish operates through a combination of recursive crawling and dictionary-based probes, meticulously navigating through web application paths and inputs. So this SkipFish tool employs an array of active security checks that aim to be non-destructive while providing significance or meaningful insights into the security posture of the targets. So moreover, SkipFish interactive sitemap creation and annotation of security checks results lay the foundation for comprehensive application for security assessment. So for the professional use as a resource for better and robustness of a web application. So that's all for the introduction. For the next session, you will be guided with Nura Akila.
The first functions that on the SkipFish that I will explain is about the basic scans. So first we need to enter the Kali Linux tools, and then it will show us this login page. So I will enter the username and password of my Kali Linux. But in here I already uh put the username and also my password. Then I will go to the terminal emulator to write this command, which is to create a new directory named SkipFish report. So mkdir will create a new directory, which is SkipFish report, and these command functions will specify the output directory where the scan results will be saved. So it will save in the basic scan result. And then after I run the command, it will show four options specifying what can do during the crawling. But in here, we will press any key to continue the crawling. But in here, I press enter button to continue the crawling. And then so actually in here, if we start crawling, find the data, and then the scan of the statistics shows the current execution, and on database statistics shows the stored information. So and then after uh, the scan have been done, so the data from the previously conducted file statistics scan will be stored within an index.html file located in the basic scan result folders. So actually, if you want to see uh, the statistic data and so on, you need to open the index.html. So we will continue to open the index.html to find the location of the index.html. So we need to open the Kali folder in Kali folder. So and then we need to find the SkipFish report that we already start. And then uh, in the SkipFish report folder, we have a basic scan result. and and then in this basic scan result, there is a lot of files. But in here, we need to find index.html. And after that, uh, actually, in the index.html, it can display the document type and provide an overview of the issues related to my scanner website, including details about the type of problems identified. So I'm sorry for the typo. So in here, we can see that issues type overview, we have what icon of the website earlier. Actually, in that website, it have incorrect or missing char set. So new 404 signature scene and also new X header value scene, and the last one is new server header value scene. So in here, we can see that there's a low risk of the possible have a low risk uh, of the threats. First, we also need to enter the current email tools, and then we show the user login, and then in here I already enter the my my username and also my password. After that, we need to go to the XAMPP and go to control panel, XAMPP control panel, and select the logs, which is here, log button within the Apache module. And then after that, we open the access log notepad. So actually, in access log, it is displaying a record of all requests processed by the server. But in here, Mozilla is the as request made the request access of the server. Actually, user agent I proceed this command is used to actually is user agent string is a scan is to avoid detection or blocking based on specific user agent strings. So negative B here specify the user agent string that will be used during the scans. While P is the uh, while P is telling P it will tell the tool to use a specific user agent string during the scans. P is argument for the user agent string like a placeholder. So and then I will enter this command. So after I run the command, it will show four options specifying what we can do during calling. So I will press enter button to continue crawling. After that, after you already finished the crawling, it will show this page, which is the result will store in the index.html. But in here, I want to see the access notepad again, whether it changed the server or not. So in here, we can see it already changed the server. Uh, which after made changing on the user agent, the indication revealed that the request now appear to originate from an iPhone. So that means what I changed, I really success change the server, which is to iPhone.
Hey guys, it's me again. So in this section, I will explain to you guys the third function inside SkipFish called a time elapse scan. So as you can see that in this slide, we can see that this is a normal comment scan time that followed by the SkipFish along with the dash o, which is a comment output file, and the output file was set is basic underscore scan underscore time. But there is a new command known as a dash k option. So the dash k must follow by the specified time, which is we set to 10 seconds, and along with the targeted website URL link. So inside the SkipFish, this dash K option used to describe scan time or duration. More specifically, web scanning time duration. So this command is purposely appears so that the user can specify a desired scan time using this type of command. So before using this type of command, the user must follow its right format when entering the dash K command by typing the dash K along with the time format specific time format, which is known as a HH colon MM colon SS, known as or represent as hours to minutes to seconds. Otherwise, the user may receive error messages and the time elapsed scan or the K option command will become faulty. So this type of option, um, other like Burpsuit or other application scanning security, is typically done for practical reasons associated with resource management, network usage, and scheduling purposes. So let's move on. So this is comparison between the normal scan time and the time using the time elapsed scan command. So as you can see at the left side, we have the normal scan command result. Inside the SkipFish command or this Linux command prompt. So we can see that once we enter the previous command like SkipFish followed by the output command -o output file and the targeted website link, we can see that it display the result, which is a scan time for this the most typically for the scan time result as a crucial one, and successful of a scanning percentage of a successful scanning of the website of the targeted website. So we can see that the normal scan time was 33 seconds, something like that, and 100% percentage of the successful web scanning. So on the right side is the using time elapsed scan command. We can see that it differ from the scan time and the percentage of successful web scanning application. So we can see that the scan time is differ when once we set the command -k into 10 second. We can see that the scan time might stop maybe approximately around 11 second or less or more, and the percentage might also differ too, like this in this part this percentage will differ into 50% of successful scanning of the website scanning. Plus, compared to the previous normal scan command, this time elapsed scan command also comes with the alert messages called as a scan aborted by user bailing out. Means that the command will tell the user that the scanning process has been aborted due to the command has been used, which is the time elapsed scan. So once we use the time elapsed scan, we will set into 10 second or 1 minute or less or something like user desired, or whatever time we desired to put it. And with the scanning process may took a while or may took less, then the message will be received by the user telling that the scanning process aborted due to the user specified time inside the K option. So, SkipFish also comes with the time issue where it takes a lot of time when scan the website entirely due to the website type like HTTP or HTTPS that is implemented with security elements that may slow down the scanning processes. So, let's carry on. So, in this part, I wish explain to you guys once we enter the time elapsed scan process, scan command. So once we enter this type of command followed by the right format, okay. So what we do next is follow to the just go to the file system. My bad. Follow to the file system. Just go to the file system and look for the file name inside the Kali file, and the file name was set to as basic underscore scan underscore time. If the user doesn't know what output file, it can refer to the command that they have insert inside the Kali Linux command prompt, which is refer to the beside output command, which is a dash o, and once we click the output file, we can see that there's a lot of elements of the web scanning or the results once we enter the command inside the Linux. And ignoring all of ignoring all elements except one, which is index.html, is a crucial thing. We need to find it and click on it for the crawling result. So once we click the index.html, it appears that the index.html will bring us to the website called as a SkipFish call results in the website in the Mozilla Firefox. So inside the SkipFish, previously we have seen that we have seen that it display all the document type of all two types of overview, which is a document type overview and the issue type overview, where we can see the document type, the application or HTML or text, and the vulnerable things like issue type we can see. So on the top right is we can see that the total time, the total scanning time, and the scan date as a evidence for the web scanning. So the result may differ, but for our result is much not much differ from the previous one, because the website itself doesn't include like something like crucial part, but SkipFish may differ when comes to website type like HTTP or like security implementation of the elements itself that slow down the scanning processes. So the result when we click the index.html may not differ much from the normal scan, as it depends on the website type and its content length. So the result will differ in terms of document type overview and the issue type overview, like I said before. For example, if we set a little amount of specific time inside the k command, like maybe like dash k into 5 second or 10 second or less, the SkipFish web scan result or the crawl result may be short of certain information we need, especially in the issue type overview, where it contains the vulnerabilities information. So the crawl result also shows the total scan time as itself. So that's all from me, and I hope you guys understand about this function of the time that scan inside the SkipFish. So that's all from me. Thank you.